Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change any video background on your mobile for free without the use of any green screen. Suppose you have shot a video and you want to change it to a professional background, like from this to this. Do that easily by watching this video. I will walk you through step by step. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started.
The first thing you need to do is to head over to Play Store or App Store to install the Spring Video Editor app from the App Store or Google Play Store. So I'll open my App Store. You have to search for Spring app and download it. I already have the Spring app on my phone. I just have to let it to load for a while. So there it is. This is the app under here. I've already downloaded on my phone, so I just have to update it. I've updated the app. That's the first thing you need to do, and that's all. Now we have to move to the second step, which is to you have to open the Spring app. After opening the Spring app, you have to click on create new. Click on create new. Now add the picture of the background you want to use for your video. Are we using this we use this background? Yeah, this is okay. And that's it for step 2. You have to adjust the length to your desired length. So that's it. I just allow it just few seconds. Once you have done that, let's move to step 3, which is click on overlay. You're not going to add the video you want to use, your original video. That's the video you're going to add now. We'll be using this video for the exam, for an example. So after adding the video, adjust the length to fit the background, as you can see what I'm doing. For step 4, we are going to remove the background, and to do that, click on your main video and scroll through the tools. You will find the magic remover option and click on it. After clicking, you will start processing. So you just have to it will take a while. You just have to wait, and do not close the app or turn off your device. Just have to wait. We are already at 7. Oh, very soon we'll be done 100%. And adjust the video at the center. There you have it. The background has been successfully changed. Let's play and check. It is good, right? Now that our video is ready, let's move to step 5, which is to export the video. Click on the export icon, adjust the resolution, the frame rate, and the quality. I will not adjust anything. To click remove outro, which is the app logo. So you don't want to download the video with the app logo. And click on save, and now the video will be saved in your gallery. Let's open our video now. See, our video come out so correctly. There you have it, guys. In just 5 steps, you can change any video background on your mobile for free. It was easy, right? If you found this video helpful, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until then, take care and see you on my next video.